At LSAME, we provide you with marketing videos about your type of business. Videos are branded with your business name, your logo, and contact information. We offer custom videos and we always offer guarantees on ranking. Contact us now to get your video like this today and your company name on the front page of Google tomorrow. Regular oil changes are an essential part of vehicle maintenance that can help prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. While some drivers may choose to perform their own oil changes, using a professional offers numerous benefits. Professionals have the training, experience, and equipment to properly perform oil changes, ensuring that your vehicle is in good working order. They can also provide valuable advice on how to properly maintain your car. There are two main types of engine oil available, synthetic and regular. While synthetic oil is more expensive, it offers several benefits such as better performance in extreme temperatures, improved fuel efficiency, and longer engine life. When searching for a reputable auto repair shop, look for one that employs certified technicians, has a good reputation, and offers transparent pricing and high-quality products. By working with a professional, you can ensure that your vehicle remains in top condition for years to come. Don't neglect your oil changes. Visit a professional auto technician to keep your vehicle running smoothly and prevent costly repairs.